Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to add brushes to Photoshop. You need to download new brushes from internet. You will get it on your internet by free. And here's my brushes. I just downloaded it. I'm selecting the brush tool and clicking here, and then click on settings icon, and now click on load brush. From here, just open the brush where your brush is stored, and here is my brush. Now I'm selecting the brush, now clicking on load. After that, if I scroll down, and here we can see all the brushes are just added now. And now from here I can easily use any brush. This is how we can add brushes to Photoshop. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.